I'm in the EDM zone here at Timtos 2019. I'm looking at a machine here. This is pretty revolutionary, this. I really like what I can see here. Now, this is an EDM hole drilling machine. We've caught this at the perfect moment on the camera. This is 8-axis. You've got 2 axis here, which is your A and B, and you can see you can pretty much get to any position to drill holes. So this is your A and B, and you've also got a U-axis here. This is a U-axis on the ram there. You've also got a W-axis. Of course, you've got your X, Y, and your Z as well, which goes to make up your 8-axis. The actual envelope of this machine is just over 1 meter in the X and the Y and the Z. So you can just see the flexibility that this offers you if you're looking to do hole drills. Now, what about if you want to do it in a production environment? You've also got a tool changer here on this machine. So you can literally load your tools up, and then you can press the button and be assured that when you're coming in the morning you can tackle all sides of parts, as well as having obviously more tools to do more than one operation as well. Perfect solution here if you're into your EDM drilling. I'm going to shut this door now. You can see how ergonomic the machine is, well, how easy it is to get into and easy to use. A fantastic piece of technology on show here at Timtos 2019.